Hey, you should say real loud, thank you guys for 3 million followers. I bet you will. I bet you will. I know. Because that's lying. I'm sorry.
No, but I would have said thank you. Just a regular line.
What did I tell you?
What?
Bet. They wouldn't tell my
Bet.
They wouldn't tell it.
Poor guy.
We're better.
Got Louis on his back all the time.
Oh, and Louis is the name of the bag, right?
Yeah.
Get it, Chris?
Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton? Okay. Tell me
I've never
something.
owned a car. I've always owned a truck. Okay.
It's true.
I've only had 2 vehicles since
His
my
entire
parents
life.
bought
Me as
mine
well.
when I was 15.
Dos.
well.
Had a truck. But
I had a
the first
Scion
car I
TC.
ever get,
Tesla.
Tesla.
I bet it's that guy that just pulled up.
Oh, isn't that the YouTuber Bailey? Isn't that, what do you mean what? Isn't that the
He
YouTuber
said-
Bailey?
I said, I bet it's the guy that we just talked to in there. He goes, if he makes that much money, I'm quitting taking his job.
Yo,
He said, I'm going
I
to stop helping you.
forget the Lauren
I
Ashtyn.
could do that too. Want to let you know
Me?
that right here on the corner is coming Monster Subs.
Shut your mouth off!
Right there. They're coming right there.
How many years have we been telling them?
Dude.
Branch out, dude. Stop being in the
So
middle of
many years.
nowhere.
So many years.
What's going on right now?
I'm pumped. So
I'm so
Monster,
happy
Monster
right now.
Subs, I introduced her to like 3 years ago.
It is literally the best sub place like in the entire existence of subs, and they like smoke their own meat,
Yeah.
and it's like a man sub.
It
but
is,
I
it's a
like
straight
it,
man
but it's a
sub.
straight man.
Is it like
sub.
Subway on steroids?
It's like
No, Subway gets literally bumped off the map like a little peon. Like
Yeah.
Subway should go on.
At Subway.
This is like
it's amazing. It's
the
amazing.
best ever.
Yeah.
It really is. I know you'd be happy to hear that.
Well, that's a wrap, guys.
That's a wrap.
And explain what we did today.
So what we did was we shot some Louis bags.
Some Louis Vuitton, original
Yo, well.
Louis Vuitton that have been customized per the Lauren Ashtyn and her design and kind of her request. So it got some pretty cool bling on there.
They're real stones too.
And just tried to enjoy the day and just try and block a little bit of our process. I will say this.
There's lots more inside the bags.
I am not about dog abuse, and I know this just totally changed gears, and here's why. We were here, I don't know, an hour ago, and this dog is still in the car, locked in the car,
Oh.
by himself.
He looks friendly.
I know the windows are cracked, but
I want to be friends with that guy.
I kind of think,
He's so obedient. He's looking at his person. Oh, you're just sweet. You're a cute little fella.
I kind of think it's probably
Don't
hot.
pet him.
I don't know, he looked kind of mangy, kind of scared.
Oh, he's so cute though. I love him. I think his name should be Frankfurt. Cutest little Frenchie that's always in downtown now, and he's brown. He's so adorable. I wish he was out here so I could pet him.
Alright, well, it's been real, guys.
It's been a wrap.
It's been real, it's been fun, it's not been real.
Except for it was.